Congratulations! You made it to Canada. This is a land of opportunity. But like any new venture, you need a plan. That's where smart financial planning comes in. Think of it as your roadmap to success. It'll help you reach your goals. Moving to a new country is exciting. It also comes with challenges. One of the biggest is figuring out your finances. Don't worry, we're here to help. This guide will give you the tools you need. You'll be on your way to financial security. This is your chance for a fresh start. It's an opportunity to build a bright future. So let's get started on setting up your financial life in Canada. Financial planning is crucial for new immigrants. It helps you manage your money wisely. It allows you to adapt to a new financial landscape. With a solid plan, you can achieve your financial goals faster. A well-structured financial plan helps you budget effectively. You can track your income and expenses. This ensures you have enough money for essential needs. These include housing, food, and transportation. Beyond basic needs, financial planning enables you to save for the future. This could be for your children's education or your retirement. It also prepares you for unexpected events. These could include job loss or medical emergencies. Remember, financial planning is an ongoing process. It's about making informed decisions. These decisions will secure your financial well-being in Canada. Creating a budget is essential when you're in a new country. It helps you understand your cash flow. You can see how much money you're earning and spending. Start by listing all sources of income. This includes your salary, government benefits, or any other earnings. Next, track all your expenses. Categorize them as needs and wants. Needs are essentials like rent and groceries. Wants are things you can live without, like entertainment. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can set spending limits. Allocate funds for each category based on your priorities. The goal is to spend less than you earn. This allows you to save and reach your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting yourself. It's about making informed choices. It's about having control over your finances. Opening a bank account is one of the first things you should do when you arrive in a new country. It provides a safe place to keep your money, protecting it from theft or loss. It also gives you access to essential financial services, such as online banking and financial advice. Canada has a stable and reliable banking system, known for its security and customer service. There are several banks and credit unions to choose from, each offering different benefits. Consider factors like convenience, fees, and the services offered when choosing a bank. Look for a bank with branches near you and robust online banking facilities for easy access. To open an account, you'll need your immigration documents, which verify your identity and status. This usually includes your passport and visa, essential for the verification process. You might also need proof of address, such as a utility bill or rental agreement. Once your account is open, you'll receive a debit card, which is crucial for daily transactions. This card allows you to access your funds electronically, making purchases and withdrawals convenient. Having a bank account makes it easier to manage your money, track expenses, and save for the future. You can set up direct deposit for your salary, ensuring timely and secure payments. You can also pay bills online conveniently, saving time and avoiding late fees. Section 5. Navigating the Canadian tax system. Understanding the Canadian tax system is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Taxes are a significant part of your financial responsibility and play a vital role in the economy. They fund essential public services like healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Canada has a progressive tax system based on income. The more you earn, the more taxes you pay, which helps support public services. The tax year runs from January 1st to December 31st, so keep track of important dates. You must file your income tax return by April 30th of the following year to avoid penalties. The main tax form is called the T1 General Income Tax and Benefit Return, which is essential for filing. You can file your taxes online or by mail, whichever is more convenient for you. There are various tax credits and deductions available to taxpayers. These can significantly reduce your tax liability and increase your savings. It's essential to explore these options to maximize your tax savings and minimize what you owe. Familiarize yourself with the Canadian tax system to ensure compliance and optimize your finances. You can find comprehensive information on the Canada Revenue Agency or CRA website, which is a valuable resource. Consider seeking assistance from a tax professional if needed to navigate complex tax situations. Section 6. Building your credit score, a step-by-step guide. Building a good credit history is crucial in Canada. It can open doors to many financial opportunities. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness. It ranges from 300 to 900. It tells lenders how risky it is to lend you money. The higher your score, the better. A good credit score makes it easier to get loans, credit cards, and even rent an apartment. It can also lead to lower interest rates. Start by opening a secured credit card. This is a great first step for newcomers. This type of card requires a security deposit, which acts as your credit limit. It's a safe way to build credit. Use your card responsibly and pay your bills on time. Consistency is key. Another way to build credit is to become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This can boost your score quickly. Ensure the primary cardholder has a good credit history. Their habits will impact your score. Their positive payment history will reflect on your credit report. This can be very beneficial. Building a good credit score takes time and effort. Patience and diligence are essential, but it's an investment that pays off in the long run. The benefits are substantial. It gives you access to better financial products and rates. A strong credit score is a valuable asset. Section 7. Finding your Canadian home. Affordable housing options. Finding affordable housing is a top priority for new immigrants. Canada offers various housing options, each with pros and cons. Renting is often the first step for newcomers. You can find apartments, condos, or townhouses for rent. Research different neighborhoods to find one that suits your budget and lifestyle. Factor in costs like rent, utilities, and transportation. If you're considering buying a home, explore government programs for first-time home buyers. These programs offer financial assistance and make home ownership more accessible. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to understand how much you can afford. Remember, housing affordability varies across Canada. Do your research and explore different neighborhoods. Consider factors like proximity to work, schools, and amenities. Section 8. Resources to lean on financial assistance and support. You don't have to navigate your financial journey alone. Canada offers a wealth of resources for new immigrants. Start with government websites like Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada or IRCC. They provide information on settlement services, financial assistance, and more. Many community organizations offer free financial literacy workshops and counseling. Reach out to settlement agencies in your area. They can connect you with resources like language classes, job search support, and financial guidance. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. Remember, there's a strong support system in place to help you succeed. Take advantage of these resources to make your transition smoother. Section 9. Protecting your future. Exploring insurance options. Insurance is crucial for protecting yourself and your loved ones from unforeseen events. It provides financial security in times of need. Health insurance is essential in Canada. While Canada has a public healthcare system, it doesn't cover everything. Consider getting private health insurance to cover expenses like dental care, vision care, and prescription drugs. Other essential insurance types include renter's insurance, car insurance, and life insurance. Renter's insurance protects your belongings in case of theft, fire, or other covered events. Car insurance is mandatory in Canada and covers damages or injuries caused in an accident. Life insurance provides financial support to your beneficiaries in the event of your death. Research different insurance providers and compare quotes. Choose coverage that meets your specific needs and budget. Section 10. Your financial journey. Tips for long-term success. Financial planning is a continuous journey. Here are some tips for long-term financial success in Canada. Save regularly. Make it a habit to save a portion of your income each month, even if it's a small amount. Invest wisely. Explore different investment options to grow your wealth over time. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Plan for retirement. Start saving for retirement early to enjoy your golden years financially secure. Review and adjust. Regularly review your financial plan and make adjustments as your circumstances change. Remember, financial success takes time and discipline. Stay informed, seek guidance when needed, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Section 11, welcome to your new financial chapter. Congratulations on embarking on this exciting new chapter in Canada. By taking control of your finances, you're setting yourself up for a bright and prosperous future. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Embrace the support systems available to you. With careful planning, determination, and a positive mindset, you can achieve your financial goals and build a fulfilling life in your new home. Welcome to Canada.